Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of AmoCRM Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. From here, click Install and allow an install. Refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is a documentation tab, which contains information about the application. The next tab is the tutorials tab, which contains smart cues and videos that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Up next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up the application. To set up the application, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, you head to your AmoCRM account online and you click on Settings. In Settings, click on Create Integration. In here, give it a name, give it a description, click on Save. Click on Keys and Scopes. Click on Generate Long-Lived Token. Choose an expiry date and you click on Confirm. Now, you click on the copy icon, head back to your account and paste the token where required. Next, you copy your domain and paste it in your account. Then you click Complete. And as you can see, the application has been set up successfully. The next tab is the Support tab. And here you can create tickets and book calls with our support team in case you have any issues. Finally is the Changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.